Welcome, Libra, to your daily download. Friday, May 27th. Let's check in. What's going on? Let's get an update on the energies around Libra, please. May 27th, 2022. Libra. What's the situation for Libra? I'm feeling like top card. The moon. So much has happened and occurred since the last full moon. That lunar eclipse. I mean, has it not? We'll clarify it. Where should Libra not focus their energy at this time? Where should Libra not focus their energy at this time? So much energy, Libra. The 8 of Wands, 10 of Wands, 2 of Wands, 5 of Cups. I think you're trying to bring yourself out of a lot of burden, okay, with the 10 of Wands. I think you're trying to keep it moving right now. I think you're trying to hold it all together. Manifestation works, but try not to stay down. We have the 5 of Pentacles with the 5 of Cups. Where not to focus your energy. Too much daydreaming with the 2 of Wands. Almost a depression. One card. One card. One card. There's a lot of people watching you, Libra. There's a lot of people that are jibber jabbering, okay, about you. We have the Page of Swords. Don't bother watching those that watch you, Libra. Don't bother Page of Wands at the bottom to clarify the Page of Swords. Stay out of this childish energy. This premature energy, okay? Acting prematurely. Or should Libra focus instead, please? Or would Libra do best to focus their energy at this time? In the Temperance. The angels are calling out to you. Give your sorrows up to them. Give your worries up to them. Let them help you. Angel energy, where to focus instead. Let the angels help you heal your broken heart, Libra. 3 of Swords at the bottom. Try your best to stay balanced, right? Temperance. The card after death. So after you've gone through the transformation, you reach the place of temperance, alchemy, harmony, moderation, masculine and feminine balance, meditation, the perpetual motion of life, neutrality, restraint, patience, and purpose. I walk the middle path and I nourish my spiritual wholeness. And I'm hearing in my mind, and this has been a message that's been coming up lately, Libra, for us. It looks different for everyone. The healing journey, your life path, everyone's is unique and everyone's is different. The angels definitely want to help you, though. They want to assist you. Likely outcome for Libra. We're going to clarify the moon card after this. Likely outcome for Libra. There's that Page of Wands, and the 3 of Swords is back at the bottom, Libra. This Page of Wands energy, though, is about being like unrestrained, embracing your magic, embracing your abilities, feeling youthful. You could be feeling young again, especially for my people in your 30s and older. You know what I'm saying when I say feeling young again. Continuing to heal. Heartbreak. Getting back to you, Libra. Continuing the healing process. It's helping mend your heart, feeling youthful again, feeling like a young Libra again is really helping heal your broken heart at this time. Clarify the moon. What is this moon situation for Libra? May 27th. What is the moon situation? Or whenever Libra finds this reading. Woo, Libra! Yeah, here's the 6 of Wands. For the past few months, the 6 of Wands has been coming out for us. And I feel like there's mystery of, well, when am I going to get up on this stage? When is this success going to be felt? Or when is this accomplishment going to happen? When am I going to get the call or the message from the producers that's going to put me up in the spotlight, propel me, propel you up on stage? Talking in almost like third person. I didn't mean me. All of us, Libra, right? The moon, when, the mystery. This lunar eclipse activated much more than we are consciously fully aware of at this time, Libra. It may not seem like it's for your benefit right now, but it will. I heard victory is upon you. Victory is upon you. The Queen of Wands has been at the bottom of the deck twice now. I'm actually going to pull her. Clarify the Queen of Wands. Why is she here? Clarify the Queen of Wands for Libra. Why is she here? I just happened to look over at the timer. Just so happened to look right at 11:11. Who is the Queen of Wands? Why is she here? The World. Okay. There could be Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Feminine energy that is going to put you up onto the world stage. They have something to do with your propel. Okay. If this Queen of Wands has been a negative influence to you, Three of Swords at the bottom has brought you some type of heartbreak, it's gonna end up furthering it's gonna benefit you further, Libra, okay? You're healing. Even though their intention was the opposite. Anything else Libra needs to know about this story? Advice for Libra? Advice for Libra with this Temperance and Page of Wands? Any advice? It's dark behind me, guys. Nightbird? Interesting. I know the camera picked that up, and I just so happened to stop at the Emperor. Power players again. You have a lot of... Now here's the reemergence of these power players, these people that are like conversing in your energy field, Libra. This Queen of Wands. There could be a Sagittarius. Emphasis on the Sag with the Temperance. Emphasis on the fire. Aries, Emperor. A lot of fire sign energy here. And I keep hearing it's to propel you, Libra, propel. Tell me more. One shuffle. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What was that? Let's see. Channeled message cards. Something just came out. Wow. Okay. We've got two messages here. He is toxic. They have problems, mental, deceptive. They need a doctor appointment. Bingo, you made it. You are rich, on the money. Go have fun. Channeled message for Libra. Here we go. It's not just some mumbo jumbo. The path has many twists and turns. You have a jealous energy around you. This person is rude. You're being asked do not engage. They're unreasonable. Angels will fight for you. Double confirmation, Libra, on the angels are really wanting to provide you with assistance at this time. The angels will fight for you. The angels want you to ask them for help. They want to move on your behalf, for sure. I'm hearing runes. I brought the runes out for you guys, Libra. Let's go. May 27th. What do the runes have for Libra? I'm hearing 2. Nice, both of them upright. We do have the initials P or M. Okay. That could also be a B or a D. And we have M or a W. I'm definitely feeling P and M though. PM. Again, with the night song, the night bird. We just heard that bird call out. And it's at night. You see? PM. Message occurring, something coming in through the ethers at night. Wow. This is the rune of wind. It means harmony, blessings, joy, affection, and desire. This seems to be yep, that's horse. Progress, future, changes, movement, trust. Wow. Not all of these runes are positive. You know, I kind of like, I don't bring them out a lot because you never know what you're going to get. But that's very interesting. We got P and M. And you got progress, future, changes, movement, trust, harmony, blessings, joy, affection, and desire, Libra. I believe those are all keywords that will be heavy in your future. I love it. I say that as well because we have merriment at the bottom. Times of merry. Yeah, spirit sweetheart. There you go, Libra. Being adored, feeling loved and cared for, feeling joy, affection, like you're desired. Wow, Libra. Okay. Someone wants to visit. Either they want to come see you or they want you to come see them or plan some type of getaway. They see a future with you. They envision marriage with you, Libra. We do rule the 7th house for my single Librans, you know. I don't think you're going to be single forever. I don't think you're going to be single for the rest of your days, my friends. Any other messages for Libra? Any other messages for Libra? Okay. Again, This flew on top of the angels, the Temperance card. Enemy. There is an enemy around, but your angels want you to give it up to them. Tell me more. Advice for Libra. The visit. Hope. And now the wind just picked up. And this Emperor at the bottom of the tarot, Libra. I'm not sure why the enemy card with all those positive cards, the visit, the marriage, the love. Why the enemy card? Tell me more about this enemy using the tarot, please. Okay, so this is an enemy involving finances, money, or your work. This person could be wanting to block your money flow, block your progression in your finances, I'm hearing. They could also be wanting you to stay in sorrow, grief, keep your heart chakra blocked, because they know, Libra, when you're operating from a fully functional heart chakra, when you're operating from your heart space, authenticity, the money flows in for you, the abundance, the prosperity, it all just flows very nicely towards you. This enemy may offer you something in regards to an idea or a project at work. Like, oh, I have a great idea for us to come together. This idea might pull on your heartstrings, Libra, okay? This is a message for somebody out there that I'm channeling right now. This enemy will come to you with an idea. They're going to say, oh, it's going to be good for this good cause, this charity. We're going to make money, or we're going to earn this charity a lot of money. It's all a gimmick. It's all for show. Advice for Libra using the tarot, dealing with this enemy. Top card. Queen of Cups. Stay connected, stay in tuned, spirit. I heard, tell me when to go. Tell me when to go. Go, 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 go. Spirit will direct your next moves, Libra. Just remain in tune. Remain intuitive. She's meditating. She's halfway immersed in water. Water is very, very, it's like spirit to me. Remaining connected to spirit. Your spirituality, whatever you believe. Your angels, they're going to help you. They're going to bring you the answers. Keeping your heart chakra clear, Libra. So important. Keeping your heart clear. That's what's important here. Also, message at the bottom of the dragon magic cards. Dragon King. There is a new masculinity arising. One which we dragons have infused with the true codes of chivalry. This energy arises healing, inspiring, Make space for this new beginning in your world, okay? Libra. Let's pull one dragon card. I honestly feel like there's going to be a true love, and then there's going to be another karmic. It's going to be like a test. The karmic is this enemy energy, and the true love is the person you'll end up probably marrying. I would hope so, Libra. I would hope you don't end up marrying the enemy. One card. Dragon treasure. We dragons have treasure, which we guard with ferocity. We are also generous. And now we transfer some of our own treasure to you, Libra. It shall come to you in mysterious ways. I keep hearing the winds blow out back as well. The winds of change are blowing, Libra, and I believe they're blowing in blessings. Stay in tune. You're connected. Your abundance and prosperity in your business is in money sector, career sector is growing. You are rich. You made it. Bingo. Go have fun on the money. Let your angels fight for you. If you're feeling out some type of funky energy, it's not just some mumbo jumbo. Again, you're on the money, my friends. I hope this reading helped you. If it did, give me a big thumbs up so I can reach more Libras here. Thank you so much if you are subscribed to Libra Land, you guys. As soon as we get to 30K, I will do a special live stream and give away 10 free readings in the live stream. So if you're not subscribed here, I encourage you to tap fully into the manifestation power of the land. And I welcome you to Libra Land. All right, guys, stay balanced, stay blessed. Peace.